In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Telegram app on your PC, on your laptop. So it's pretty easy for Mac, for Windows, for both platforms. So all we need is just to open our browser. I would like to use the Google Chrome. So then go to telegram.org. This is the main site of Telegram app. So here we can see different options: Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone, and here if we'll scroll down, we'll find the Telegram for PC or Linux and Telegram for Mac OS. So now choose the necessary operating system. I need to Telegram for Mac OS, then click on uh, Telegram for Mac OS, and now it's downloading. After the downloading, all you need is just to open the necessary file and do the steps which are described in this file. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.